Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Mazda CX-30. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable. Next, start your Mazda CX-30 and ensure the infotainment system is fully powered up. Then, navigate to the settings menu on your car's display screen. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Once in the settings, select the Bluetooth option from the list. You'll then see an option to add new device. Tap this to start searching for your phone. Your Mazda CX-30 will now scan for available Bluetooth devices. When your phone's name appears on the car's screen, select it to initiate the pairing. This step links your phone directly to the vehicle. After selecting your phone, a pairing code will appear on both your phone and the Mazda's screen. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection on both devices. Your phone may then ask for permission to access contacts and messages. Grant these for full functionality. Now you can enjoy hands-free calling, audio streaming, and other features through your Mazda CX-30 infotainment system. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and the Mazda's infotainment system. Sometimes, deleting old or unused Bluetooth pairings from your car's memory can also help resolve connection problems. Remember, a fresh start often fixes minor glitches. Also, for those looking for quality, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, ensuring lasting comfort and durability for your feet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.